Welcome sa New Normal School. May tanong ako sa inyo.
Paano nga ba tayo mag-solve ng quadratic equations na hindi nakasulat sa standard form?
By Math Tutorial. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, dapat alamin muna natin kung ano po ba ang ibig sabihin or kung ano po ba yung formula ng quadratic equation in standard form. So ito po yun. A quadratic equation in standard form is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where our x is the variable and our a, b, and c are the constant number. We have also to remember that a must not be equals to 0. It can be a positive or a negative. Going back to our equation, we have a, b, and c are the constant number. In this form, 2, 8, and 6 are the constant number, and our x are the variable of the given formula.
Let's have an example. We're going to solve x 1 to 3, x minus 8 equals to 64. Paano?
It should be negative 64. Ang unang hakbang natin or unang gagawin natin ay isusulat natin yung atin pong equation or the problem itself. Ang ating equation is x multiplied by quantity x minus 16 is equals to negative 64. Pagkatapos po natin isulat yung atin pong given equation, we have now to simplify. Ang ibig sabihin nun, we're going to multiply x times x, that is equals to x squared. Then we have x times negative 16, that is equals to negative 16x, which is also equals to negative 64. We just drop down negative 64. Pagkatapos natin isulat or simplify yung nasa kaliwa, itong nasa kaliwa, ito ang sagot natin kanina, x squared minus 16x equals to negative 64. Ang gagawin natin is to transform this equation into an standard form. Tandaan, ng ating pong standard form ay nasa ganitong form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Dapat naka-0 tayo dito sa right side. Kaya dapat ganito ang magiging form, 2x squared plus 8x plus 6 is equals to 0. Balikan natin yung problem. So we have now x squared minus 16x plus 64 equals to 0. Ito na po yung kanyang standard form. Ang ibig sabihin nun, yung negative 64 natin dito sa kanang bahagi is nilipat natin sa kaliwa. Since that is negative, kaya naging positive po siya. So we have now positive 64 or plus 64, which is equals to 0. Yung ating equation ngayon ay nasa standard form na lang. So, since nasa standard form na po siya, ang next na step natin ay to find for the roots of the given equation. Ito po yung standard form natin kanina. We have x squared minus 16x plus 64 equals to 0. Meron tayong mga approach on how to find for the roots of any equations, especially quadratic equations. Meron tayong apat na approach. Meron tayong factoring, meron tayong substitution, meron tayong by using the quadratic formulas, and so on and so forth. But at this time, ang gagamitin po natin is factoring. Dito, para malaman po natin ang ating magiging roots ng given expressions, we just simply find a number. Ilan po bang x natin dito? We have x. Sa pagkuha pala ng factor ng isang expressions, we have to consider the first term and the last term. Yun po yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Paano sir yung middle term? Madali lamang pang middle term. Once na nakuha na natin yung first term and last term, so we can immediately find the middle term of the given expressions. Dito po, since dalawang x natin, paghiwalay na lang po natin itong pinaka-shortcut po nun. Hiwalay natin, we have 1x and the other 1x. So if we multiply x times x, that is equals to x squared. Ibig sabihin, tama po yung unang term natin. 64. Paano natin makukuha yung kanyang factor? Tandaan, ang iisipin nating number dito ay isang number lang. Na pag minultiply natin yung number sa kanyang sarili, ang sagot niya is 64. Hindi naman pwedeng 4 kasi 4 times 4 is 16. 5 hindi rin pwede. That is 5 times 5 is 25. 7, 49. 8 times 8 is equals to 64. And therefore, 64, ang kanyang possible number or factor is 8. Na kung saan, pag minultiply natin silang dalawa, ang sagot niya is 64. Now, paano po natin malalaman na tama po ang ating middle term? Ganito lamang po yun. Check natin. X times x is equals to x squared. Negative 8 times negative 8, that is equals to positive 64. And negative 8 plus negative 8, that is equals to 16. X. That is your final answer. Sa makatuwid, tama po yung ating factor. Then itong factor na to ay, since magkaparehas lamang po sila, kung titingnan natin, x minus 8, that is equals, multiplied by x minus 8, ay magkaparehas lamang po sila. Pwede po natin ito isulat in this form para mas mapadali po natin makuha yung kanyang equivalent values. So, inilagay ko po siya into a radical expression. That will become x minus 8 squared. Pag kinuha po natin yung square root ng x minus 8 squared, that is equals to 0, which is also equals to x minus 8. Ibig sabihin nun, ito po, ang katumbas nun is x minus 8 equals to 0. Para makuha po natin yung value ng x, madali lang, lipat lang natin yung 8 sa kabila, then, matitira yung x dito, our x now is equals to 8. O nga pala, paano natin malalaman kung negative or positive yung atin pong ilalagay dito na number or na sign? Tandaan, pag ganito ang ating expression, possible expressions, pag negative dito at positive dito, 99%, lagi pong parehas negative po ang kanilang magiging sign nun. So, nakuha na po natin yung value ng x. Anong kasunod? Para malaman natin na tama ang ating sagot, we will just simply check our answer by substituting the value of x na nakuha natin dito. Ang ibig sabihin nun, yung x natin na nakuha dito ay ipapalit lamang po natin dito sa lahat ng variable sa original equations natin. So, ang ating equation kanina is x squared minus 16x plus 64 is equals to 0. Ito po yun. X squared minus 16x plus 64 is equals to 0. Yung x, papalitan natin ng 8. Ang sabi niya, yung x daw po natin is equals to 8. Yun po yung nakuha natin dito. So, 8, lahat ng may x, papalitan natin ng 8. Huwag mo lamang babalikan ang x mo. Mas mahirap yun. So, we have now 8 times 8, that is equals to 64. 16 times 8, that is equals to negative 28. Drop down 24, drop down 0. Combined like terms. Pagsamahin daw natin yung magkaparesang sign. 64 plus 64 is 128. Minus 128, and therefore, this will become 0 is equals to 0. Ang ibig sabihin nun, tama po ang ating sagot. You get your final answer? Have a nice day, and good luck.